As a developer, sometimes it is hard to find essential information directly from Google because they can produce insignificant results. But don't you think there should be a search engine specifically meant for programmers and developers? In today's video, we will discuss the top search engines meant specifically for developers and programmers. These search engines can easily solve issues developers face by providing essential data such as code snippets, syntax, and other necessary files and coding. Search code can minimize the pressure for searching anything essential or any different idea from an angle of the developer. Search code can put a list of all necessary languages which will contain the function you need. You can prefix the function name with the language name such as PHP delete. This will limit the results after your search with a particular language. Chris Wanstraff, PJ Height, Tom Preston, and Scott Chacon built GitHub with Ruby on Rails. Over 40 million developers work and contribute here. Without any doubt, you can rely on this search engine to collect authentic data. It supports a wide variety of languages and renders distributed version control, source code, and management functionality of Git. After finishing the beta version, Krugel started the journey back on June 14, 2006. If you are an open source coder, then this search engine will serve your purpose. Krugel allows developers to research open source repositories. It is one of the leading search engines for developers, and you can even share the code with other programmers. Another engine on the list is ByteMyCode. Also known as Code Gravity, the purpose behind making this search engine is to secure the process of sharing source code. There is a community around it where developers can effortlessly share, comment, find, revise, and even rate any code snippets. What if a developer-friendly search engine can provide you with more than just code suggestions? QuickRev can assist you by giving information about documentation and coding-related content. You will have wildcards like Google to get customized search results. You will find all the instructions on the home page. You don't have to register to search here. It has passed the test phase amazingly and now can provide the most relevant results. If you want to store your code snippet in one place, then this is it. Just log into Snippler.com by using your Facebook account or your Google account. You can share your stories on Facebook, Google+, and Twitter to encourage other programmers. You can also send codes to your known. You can also private message your codes through Facebook directly from the snippet page. Sometimes it's not possible to save all the essential snippets you read in a day. The Snippler.com has a feature called Fave. If you click on the Fave icon beside the snippet, it will turn orange. And you can like the comments as well. Have you ever noticed the profile of a WordPress contributor? Well, Snippler also gives recognition to any contributor to their page. When every search engine fails to provide you with the authentic source code, you can take assistance from PublicWWW. It has some incredible features such as API for integration, CSV file download option, snippets for search results, and millions of indexed web pages. This is another search engine for programmers to find, reuse, and share software components. Marrow-based harvest code from a large variety of sources such as Java.net, Apache, SourceForge, and more. In March 2007, this search engine finished the beta version. Now it's fully mature to go with the flow. You will be supported for test-driven search, interface-driven code search, and keyword-based search. These are the highlights of this engine, especially for coders. Devexplorer is an open source search engine that will give quick results regarding any developer query. It is a free search engine for coders where you can search queries on the main UI. The user interface is smooth and easy to handle. You will get the top search results for your question. Apart from getting the proper results, you can filter the search results by using the filter option on the main interface. Last on our list is CSS Search. So far, we have been discussing search engines for coders, but there is another one that is more specified. CSS Search Engine is a search engine to answer CSS-related queries. On top of Google's customized search feature, this engine is built for front-end developers. The amazing part of it is you can analyze the result with W3 School and choose the results that match your expectation. However, you don't need to sign up to search here. That's it for today's video. If you want to know more about search engine for programmers, then be sure to check out the blog in the description box below, which has more information about search engine for programmers and developers. For more video on using Appsero to manage, license, and deploy your WordPress plugins for your users, be sure to check out Appsero or email us for more information.